unrestricted social engagement and learning online can be a dangerous activity for kids and teens still in their formative years, with all the malicious and misleading content available at one's fingertips. Hence, a proposed piece of legislation to regulate web surfing and mandate strict built-in safeguard from online or content providers for preteen kids and those 13 to 18 years of age will greatly help moms and dads in proper parenting. Our Sheila Natividad has more on the proposed Children's Social Media Safety Act in this report.
With the rampant incidents of violence in various places that can be seen on social media, even in school, Donna is now constantly watching over her child who is a kindergarten student. Because aside from her fear of the child getting sick, she says it is also alarming that her guidance over her child might not be enough in this day and age.
Sa panahon natin ngayon, marami ng mga pababa ng pababa yung mga gumagawa ng krimen.
Her child cannot seem to take eyes off playing with gadgets. That is why if there's a laid out law that would raise the age limit for social media use, she said she would support it.
Bilang magulang, siyempre pabor ako. Kagaya na meron akong anak na na iba yung epekto sa bata ng social media. Sobrang nakakatakot.
Evelyn shares the same sentiment as she drops off and picks up her grandchild, a grade 3 student from school. But if those who will use gadgets are 13 years old and above, she said,
pabor ako doon na 13 above. Yun ang pangintulutan na ng humawak ng mga gadget para po sa kapakanan nila kasi ang dami-dami na nilang nagagaya sa mga social media na hindi karapat-dapat sa mga bata. Kailangan din po nila yung mga 13 to above na gumamit ng gadget kasi nagagamit din po sa school gaya ng yung online class. Kailangan din po talaga po nila.
House Speaker Faustino Bojidi III and Majority Leader Sandro Marcos are now pushing for a bill that will protect the welfare of Filipino youth. Under House Bill number 9965 or the proposed Children's Social Media Safety Act, they aim to establish the first comprehensive framework that will implement regulations on children's access to social media platforms for those aged 12 and below. Meanwhile, for those aged 13 to 18 years old, the proposal states that permission from a parent or guardian is required, along with supervision in the use of social media. Social media platforms will also be required to implement age verification measures to ensure there are safeguards in the design of platform features. This measure will also regulate algorithms or the order of content on the social media platforms you use and will even require the platform itself to remove harmful or prohibited content. This already covers AI-generated content intended to mislead or deceive. According to House Speaker D, if there is a law to protect the welfare of children in schools, streets, and communities, there should also be clear protection for them while using social media. He also does not agree with withholding technology from the youth as it contributes significantly to communication and education. He added that it is only right to ensure that social media use coincides with child's age, where they must have guidance from their parents or guardians. His statement further emphasized that as the digital world expands, there is a need to strengthen protection for their children. To propel this law, it mandates coordination with the Department of Information and Communications Technology and the Department of Education. This is to integrate digital literacy and ethical social media use into the K-12 curriculum. Under the lawmakers' proposal, the DICT is authorized to monitor and issue cease and desist orders and coordinate with the National Telecommunications Commission and the National Privacy Commission. Social media platforms that repeatedly violate once this officially becomes a law may face fines ranging from 5 million to 50 million pesos. They may also face a temporary restriction of access and a ban from operating in the country subject to due process. Sheila Natividad, for The Nation.